snot. I don't want to go to school today.
Almost home, honey.
Daddy, Jennifer says she's sick.
Last time she said she was sick, it was to get out of a history test. See if she'll eat something.
Gazoon height. It's taking so long. Quit scrambling my text messages, Jennifer. I'm not doing anything. You must be in a dead zone.
Now settle down, you two. Lovely ladies, I give it to you. Black Lightning!
Well, girls, how do you like seeing your old man as a cool, butt-kicking crime fighter?
Sorry, Dad, but even that outfit can't make you cool.
Powers. I mean, I have superpowers. Look, I'm Thunder. All right. Okay, look. Jennifer, I know this is a lot for you right now.
No, you're messing with me, and I'm
Trust
really not
me,
in the
I
mood.
understand.
I'm not in the mood,
screwing
so
with
I'm going
you.
back to bed.
Jennifer, I'm not messing with you.
No.
Stop.
You stop.
Okay. Fine. I'll show you. I'm Thunder. See, you're not crazy. Listen, we're just like Dad. Yes, he has powers too. He's Black Lightning.
Hey, no one messes with our friends.
Thunder, lightning! Let's take this big lady down. Let's give this all we got!
Hey, stop that or else!
You